Since this was a long drive day, Riker and I continued east. But of course we had to stop at these cute little areas for our breaks. So this was our lunch break and we enjoyed this marina area. There's also a lighthouse. It's a bit hard to see, but it's way out there. There she is. Then we got back on the road and just tried to hug Lake Erie as much as possible on our way heading to the Atlantic Ocean. I was surprised to see grapes. I think these are grapes growing. That's what they remind me of. You tell me if this is different. So I should check out a fine wine up this way. Well, today ended up being a two-lighthouse day. This is Barcelona Lighthouse. I don't remember what year it was built. It's no longer active and unfortunately wasn't open, but it was nice to see the outside.